More car stuff happening today. This time I'm dealing with my Mrs. Rx8. The car been started to smoke quite heavily about a couple of months ago, and we just left it ever since. Been sitting in the parking. This is actually Mazda Speed model. So the difference is front lip. It looks a little bit different than normal Rx8s, and then we have the side skirts over here, which are also slightly different, rear spats, and a tiny little spoiler on the boot. I mean, this is all very subtle, but it makes it look apart. Now, let's see if we can crank it up. I must say that I love the Rx8, I love the way it feels, I love the way it drives. It's a shame that the rotary engine is always a bloody letdown. But I'm gonna put it on the trailer and take it down to Warren Court rotaries. They have quite a good reputation. First of all, I want to check the fluids. Yeah, let's check the fluids a little bit. There's some water in there. Let me find the dipstick for the oil. There we go. Oil looks fine. The level's not up. Doesn't look like it's been mixed with water or anything. I've been noticing quite some foam when I topped up the oil. But I mean, that could be just condensation or something like that. So let's see if we can crank it up and find the key. Alright, there we go. Let's see what happens. Alright, first of all, before you crank up any rotaries, you have to like cross your fingers and say a little prayer to the rotary god and hope for the best. It started, which is good. I can put it on the trailer. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I don't think my neighbor is gonna be really happy about this, but looking at what's happening, I think from experience with my Rx7 FDs, I would say that the water seals are gone, and we'll take it in for a checkup, but most probably gonna end up in a rebuild. What can you do, hey? This is the rotary life.